Hello, welcome to Sktacademy. I hope everything will be fine. Let's create a floor plan in AutoCAD. But before starting our design, we must do some basic settings. First, I will select my units. So UNPO units. We'll select architectural and my precision will be 1/4 inches. Now I'll set my limits. 100 feet by 100 feet will be enough. Now Z for zoom and E for extends. Now we'll lock my UCS, so UCS icon and then no. My plot size is 38 feet by 51 feet 9 inches. I will draw a rectangle 38 feet and 51 feet 9 inches. This is a corner plot. This area will be a road and this area is also a road. I will take an offset of 9 inches and then I will explode it. Now let's start working inside our boundary. Take an offset of 5 feet, offset 9 inches, offset 16 feet, offset 9 inches. Now we'll take an offset on the x-axis, so offset will be 14 feet, offset 9 inches, and I will trim all these lines. This area will be a bath and this area may also be used as a laundry, or you may also use it as a dresser. Okay, now take an offset of 8 feet for kitchen and offset 9 inches. Now take an offset of 5 feet for the corridor, offset 9 inches again. Now take an offset of 10 feet for courtyard, and then we will start making our bedroom here. So take offset of 10 feet, again offset 9 inches. Now fillet it. This area will be open as a courtyard. Offset 14 feet, offset 9 inches. I will do a bit modification here for chamfer, so CHA for chamfer and D for distance, and 3 feet to each side will be enough, I think. You may do some more changes. You can justify your distance of chamfer to 4 feet 5 feet or more than, or if you want you can do it less than 3 feet. Offset 9 inches. Try to fillet it. Now take an offset of 11 feet, offset 9 inches. First I will fillet it. I will take an offset of 5 feet and then 9 inches. I'll divide it into two parts. So one bath will be attached to this bedroom and one will be to this side of drawing room, and this area will be our lounge. So I will extend it like this. Now take an offset of 12 feet. This will be our drawing room, or you may use it as a guest room, and then take an offset of 9 inches. This room will be used as a dining room. I think it is 9 feet by 13 feet. So that's enough for a dining room, I think. Now the lines offset 2.25 to each side, so our wall size will be 4.5 inches. Let's make it clear. With trim tool, and then we will draw doors, windows, ventilators, stairs, draw line here, offset 2.25 to each side. This area will be used as a laundry and this will be as a bath. Now draw line here, or you may take an offset of 4.5 inches to each side of the these offsets are for doors. An offset 42 inches this side and to this side and to this side. First I will extend it, make some trimming, and then we will try to trim it. Let's look. Yeah, offset 30 inches, extend it. These are already extended lines, so I will trim it. Sorry, trim. Delete this line. Now take offset of 3 feet. I think 3 feet is enough here. Draw a line here, offset 18 inches to each side and then trim it. Offset 3 feet, extend it and trim it. Yeah, that looks good. 4.5 inches, offset 30 inches, 2.5 feet. Now again offset 30 and 30, and then I will extend and trim it. Now offset 4.5 inches and offset 4 feet, extend it. This will be used as a main entrance to the building. Now take offset of 3 feet and 3 feet. Let's try to fillet it here. Offset I think 1 feet will be enough. Offset trim it, and PL for polyline, W for width 2 and 2, click here again, width 9 and 0, so it will become arrow. This area will be as a car porch, and here we have to put 2 columns because this area is here we will insert or import our main gate, and this area is also as a main gate. Now let's create windows, offset 3 feet to each side, trim it, ML style, multi-line style, and this rename it as a window, delete it, 3.5, add 5.5, and then 9, edit, OK, set current, OK, ML for multi-line, and let's draw window here. Again, offset 3 feet to each side, delete it, and then ML for multi-line. I want to put a door here as a main entrance also. From this side, offset 4.5 to each side, create it, and now trim it, yeah, like this. So we have 2 entrances as a main door. Draw line, offset 2 feet to each side, delete it, and then trim it. Offset 1 feet and offset 4 feet, extend it, and now trim it, and then ML for multi-line, like this. Also draw a line here, offset 3 feet to each side, delete it, trim it, ML for multi-line, again draw window, offset 3 feet to each side, and then trim it, and then ML for multi-line. Now let's take an offset of 1 feet, extend it, and then offset 3 inches will be enough, so it will become as a rectangular column, yeah. Offset 1 feet again, and extend it, offset 3 inches, we'll trim it like this, and also trim it like this, line, offset 1 inches to each side, draw line, offset 4 inches, this is a sample from the plan view, 4 inches, trim again. This looks a bit simple, but you can design as per your desire. Now I will import doors from the design center. So control 2 for design center, and we have a door here. In the house designer blocks, yeah, left and right, you can import it. I will also import some furnitures. This is a sink. I will also import from home space designer bed, sofa, double. Yeah, you can import plants, table, and we have a dining set, so I will import this also. You also can download from the internet. I will pause the video and place all these doors, but first remember one thing, I am scaling one in front of you. How we will scale a door, sorry, move, rotate it first. Yeah, this door is 36 inches and my this area this distance is 42, so I will scale it. First I will move it. Yeah, how we will scale it? So scale as a reference, SC for scale, select your object, then press enter, and this is my base point. Now I will select reference, so I will enter R for reference. This is my starting point, this is my second point, and this is my last point. This is how you can scale your objects. I will pause the video and I will place all the doors, windows, furnitures, and then we will apply layers and dimensions on it. So stay tuned. So I have done importing and placing my furnitures and doors, windows. Now you can apply layers. So I'll apply layers and walls, windows, doors, furniture, and you can give it a color. Okay, I'm just applying it on furniture. Select and furniture. Now MA for match property and apply it on. You can apply different colors. For highlighting I use this color. Now you apply different colors on windows, doors, and walls, and you also can apply dimensions, and you also can apply make or create new layer for dimensions and give it a color, so your drawing will have a good look. This is you called it a ground floor. For finishing I will take an offset of 2 feet for shade, fill it here, and offset 2 feet, extend it, offset 2 feet to this side. This will be a shade, and I will create a line here 2 feet, and then we'll fillet it. This is a roof, or you can also call it a shade. Now you may apply a hidden line, or I will load it if you want a shortcut key, LT for line type manager. Now load it and apply, for example, hidden. OK. Now select this one and apply hidden. But I think this is not that much visible. You may scale it 5. OK. Still we need to scale it more. 15 will be enough, I think. Still we have to scale it more, for example 30, or I'll apply 50. Yeah. Now match property again. Sorry, Control Z, MA for match property. This is a ground floor. I have completed this. For the first floor, I will copy this one. Just 2 changes we need, and we will have to complete it. I will remove this line, so I will use delete and delete. J for join. I'll remove this door, join here, yeah, and join these lines. Delete these lines, join again. This will be our first floor. So this area will be used as a bedroom, a master bedroom. Now we have 2 bedrooms in the ground floor and 3 bedrooms we have, and this area will be used as a store. This area will be used as a store. Now I will draw a pulley line from this side, width 2 and 2, yeah, again, sorry, and will be 0, like this. So from the ground floor we are going to upwards, and from the first floor we are going downwards. Now I will take an offset of 4.5 inches and again 42, extend it, trim it, and this area in the first floor will be used as a balcony, and this area in the ground floor will be used as a car porch. So very simple. I think this will be enough. I will apply some text and dimensions on it. If you have any problems creating floor plans, you can do comments on my videos. So I will create as per your required design. That's enough for this tutorial. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.